Welcome to the Epic Compare channel. Today, we explored how trucks can be transformed into stunning motorhomes and tiny houses on wheels. We focused on their eye-catching exteriors, where bold colors, intricate patterns, and classic designs merge to create true works of art. In this video, you saw a series of high-quality truck conversions that combine innovative engineering with cozy one-bedroom designs. Each conversion showcased artistic facades featuring vibrant murals, delicate details, and elegant shapes that blend modern style with vintage charm. What made these transformations even more remarkable was the scenic backdrop surrounding each truck. Whether set against natural landscapes or thoughtfully designed settings, these backgrounds highlighted the unique designs and vivid colors, enhancing the overall magic of each motorhome conversion. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of truck conversions and creative motorhomes. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiring ideas on transforming trucks into tiny houses and stylish living spaces. Stay tuned for more creative projects on the Epic Compare channel.